Hi, I'm Captain Chris. I want to give you a couple of tidbits about the classes that we teach in Vero Beach, Florida. Our first class is Introduction to Boat Systems, which is held on a Monday, Tuesday. So we teach more about boat systems, which could be air conditioners, propulsion engines, transmissions, generators, electrical systems, toilets, all the fun stuff that you need to keep going. Our other class is held earlier, and that's on a Friday, Saturday, and that's called Cruising 101 Fundamentals. So in the Fundamentals class, we teach navigation, rules of the road, anchoring, galley tricks, and a whole lot more that you need to get going. So when the broker slaps you on the back and gives you the key and says, "Have a good time," you'll be better prepared. While we're here in the boatyard, I want to point out one or two things just to give you an idea. This is a bow thruster here on the bow of this boat, and you can see the work. So this is an aftermarket installation. Looks pretty clean. Of course, it needs to be painted. And then there on the ground, you can see we have two anchors. The anchor on the right is a Bruce style anchor, also known as claw. And the anchor over to the left is a CQR sand anchor. You can see it's a plow, like a farmer's plow, and it's got a knuckle or a swivel joint on it. So we'll take time to teach you all of the different types of anchors and the anchor bottoms, cruising, where to anchor, where to go to a marina. We'll teach you all kinds of things that you need to know before you go. If you've got questions about either of our classes, boat systems or cruising fundamentals, ask Captain Chris. Our link on this down here at the bottom. Thanks.